15 chapter, 15 shloka. So, and because the Brahmanas and Vaishnavas are always directed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they are not greedy for material wealth. What is absolutely necessary, they possess, but they do not want an expanded kingdom. An example of this was given by Vaman Dev. Acting as a brahmachari, Lord Vaman Dev wanted only 3 paces of land. Aspiring to possess more and more for personal sense gratification is simply ignorance, and this ignorance is conspicuous by its absence from the heart of a Brahmin or a Vaishnava. So, the Vaishnavas are the ones who gave us all this understanding, and we are very extremely fortunate to have such Vaishnavas even in this Kali Yuga who are giving such teachings to us and helping us get relief from this defilements of Maya, the avidya, and go towards the path of Shuddha Bhakti, which should be an aspiration for every soul on the earth, because this is what the Lord descends for, to give the souls pure devotee, because He cares for all the souls. And like a father, extremely loving father, He cares for all the souls and want to help them and get them back to Godhead. So this is the message, and this is from the ninth canto, 11th chapter, 6th shloka. On the occasion of Ram Navami, what could be a more better gift to ourselves, remembering this beautiful shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. And thank you very much. Hare Krishna.